How to link a bank account in OANDA. First of all, open your browser and make sure you are logged into your account. From the left-hand side menu, click on the Account tab. Inside this section, you will see your saved payment methods and accounts. To add a new one, select Add New Account at the top right corner. Now choose Bank Account as your payment method. Next, enter your bank account details such as your bank name, account number, routing number or SWIFT code depending on your region, currency, and the account holder's name. Make sure to review the details carefully before continuing. Once everything is filled in, click Continue to proceed. After the process is confirmed, your bank account will be successfully linked to your account and will appear in your saved payment methods. From now on, you can use this account for deposits or withdrawals easily. Now you know how to link a bank account in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.